Summit Truck Bodies is a one-stop custom service and lube truck body manufacturer that is fully integrated from the chassis and body sale, financing, graphics, and manufacturing. Let's learn how this family-owned powerhouse is creating new and exciting career opportunities for U.S. veterans nationwide.
Summit prides itself in using state-of-the-art design and manufacturing processes so that each one of their truck bodies is built to each customer's exact specifications, ensuring complete satisfaction with usability and longevity. The Summit Truck Bodies' skilled team of craftsmen play a huge role in ensuring customer satisfaction in the company's success. They weld, paint, assemble, and test every Summit body, ensuring quality work is done at all times. Meet U.S. Marine veteran Chris Walter. Chris has been at Summit Truck Bodies for over 14 years and was recently promoted to plant manager this past June.
So I was in the United States Marine Corps for 6 years, left for boot camp 2 weeks after I graduated high school and loved my 6 years I spent there. I was a helicopter mechanic on the Hueys and Cobras. I did the hydraulics and metalsmithing. Separated out and came back to my home city of Wathena, Kansas, where I was born and raised, and got a job here at Summit Truck Bodies a few years later. So as a plant manager here at Summit Truck Bodies, I oversee the daily production and scheduling along with any personnel issues that may pop up once in a while. Sales calls, vendor calls, issues like that. Here at Summit Truck Bodies in Transwest, we go out and we seek veterans. We're going out to any military job fairs that we can get our hands on, all social media as well. What we're looking for here at Summit Truck Bodies is those hardworking folks that come here every day, know that there's a job to do, put their head down, get the job done, and go home and spend their time with their family as they should. These folks are here every day, putting in their time, putting in the work, putting in the effort. We're all here to support our families and support this great country.
Lisa Spiker is an HR business partner at Summit Truck Bodies and plays a vital role in both recruiting and supporting all of the company's passionate and skilled employees.
Here at Summit Truck Bodies, we are a smaller company, so it is a very family-friendly environment. As an HR person, I am out on the floor talking with our production people on a daily basis. So it makes it very easy to come to work every day because you do have a lot of people that you enjoy spending your time with. We offer a full line of benefits for our employees: medical, dental, vision plans, life insurance, disability plans. We want to make sure we are taking the best care that we can for our people.
Dustin Hansen has an extensive history in public service, spending over 23 years in the Kansas Army National Guard, 15 years as a deputy sheriff, and 4 years working in the Department of Defense.
My big takeaway is the sacrifice. You know, I saw in those 23 years, not just in National Guard units, but the active Army components that I've worked with overseas in Afghanistan and Iraq, is the sacrifice that servicemen and women sacrifice, not just for their community, but their nation, their state.
After retiring from the Army, Dustin began working at Summit Truck Bodies in 2012 and currently works as the service manager.
So much of what I did in the military was service focused. It's very similar here. In the service department, I can narrow in on a customer has an issue or a customer has a problem, and I can throw all the resources Summit Truck Bodies has and be supported by management that taking care of the customers, getting a wrong situation righted or corrected is our main focus and goal. They care about their employees, they care about the community, they care about the veterans and other citizens in this community. And so they keep those things in consideration when you're trying to run a business.
To find out more about job opportunities at Summit Truck Bodies and their parent company, Transwest, visit transwestjobs.com.